Hey everyone, this is Trent over at T.O.'s Garage, and I'm about to show you how I fixed a pretty chronic problem on this 2010 YZ450. If you've ever laid this bike down on the right hand side, you probably have encountered either breaking off the bracket that's common to the muffler, or the bracket portion of the subframe. In my case, I've broken both in the past, and the latest occurrence of that was threatening to end one of my rides, so fixing both of them as well as possible this time around. And what I did, you're seeing kind of a finished product. I took the subframe off after I took the muffler off and this rear fender, and I took the subframe and welded in a new piece right here. It's extra additional material to the outside, because on the inside you got the fender in the way, and I somehow saved this piece. I think it was because it was bolted to the muffler, so I still had that threaded piece. There's normally a hole that goes through here and holds the fender in place, so you can see some zip ties is my current solution, just because I don't want to put another hole there. It seems to be a weak point on that subframe, and it's kind of sticking out a ways with the muffler hanging off it, so it's kind of already susceptible to being cantilevered and broken easily. So I grabbed a friend that had access to a nice TIG welder, weld that aluminum up, and then I have access to a steel TIG welder, so a DC TIG welder, not AC. And so I was able to fabricate this little bracket and replace what had broken off, long since been lost from this part of the muffler. So this is the Yoshimura tie, not the tie 4, it's the RS4, so it's stainless and aluminum bodied. Had that been titanium, I would have had to figure out how to weld titanium there. While those two were broken, I had used a strap, a tie-down strap, to hold that up to finish the ride, and that continued to kind of wear this gasket out that's at that joint. So I replaced that, and I bought the wrong one first. It's the one that's common to the silencer there. So that was this part. I bought that first, and that was the wrong part, so beware. There's two gaskets. This is the correct part number here, and it's missing obviously because I used it. So yeah, I've got a complete finished repair, and this silencer and mid pipe are not going anywhere now. Here's another attach point for the mid pipe. So in good shape. Throw the seat and the side panels back on, and good to go. Here's a piece of stainless that I had laying around after I made this little bracket out of cardboard. I cut it then out of stainless and put one bend in it, and it lined up really well, then drilled the hole. So it's solid now. Alright, I'll put some pictures of some of the progression of the repair.